I'm about to show you something that is going to possibly blow your mind, or if you already knew about this, you're probably like, ugh, duh, like duh. But don't come at me in the comments if you knew about this. But anyway, I'm going to show you this thing that I discovered literally like quite by accident. So I had some thumbnails, or whatever you want to call them, that I wanted to export individually just like they are. And what I did was I said, well, that should be under export. And sure enough, it said export selection. So I was like, okay, if I export selection, oh my gosh, it worked. So let me grab all of these and export selection. And what happened was this. And I was like, no, that's not what I want. I want each one individually. So then I noticed, and you probably noticed too, these thumbnails that I created, or that I was about to export, were created in here. So I need to delete that one because I don't want it. So what I could do is actually, grab this and add it that way, or I can just drag this over and add it that way. And now when I go to file, export selection, I can choose these. Oh yeah, also the reason that came up, there's two Michael Scotts, is because he's selected right now when I press that. So just ignore that. If I had all of these characters and I want to grab them all and export them individually without them bulking up like they did before, I would do this. See this button right here? I would select this button, and now I have an asset for everything that I had selected. I'll do it this way, export. So I'll just click it right here, and I can do the office thumbnails and export them right in here. You can actually name them right here. So I can just go in and name them this way, or if I just prefer to go into export select this way, I can select something or all of those like I just did, and then deselect that, and I can still come in here and name these. So yeah, well, let me put some respect on Pam's name with a capital P. I'm not a Pam hater like some of y'all women haters out there. So anyway, so yeah, that's all you have to do. But again, I did not know that I could do this, and I'm so pleased to know that this is a thing. And I don't even know how old it is. Like, is this something that was always there? I just didn't have a use for it until I had a use for it. And now that I have a use for it, I'm like, wow, I'm so glad that that's there. So if this helps you in any way, please hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't subscribed. I was looking at a channel of mine, I think it was this channel, or maybe it was another channel, but one of my channels had like 98.5% of the people who were watching. I mean, it was thousands of people who were watching, and 98.5 of them were not subscribed. And that sucks, because it would really help if you subscribe. So I would appreciate it, and I'll promise that I'll continue to give you good vibes. So until next time, thank you for watching. I hope this helps. And for those of you who already knew about this, do not come at me in the comments. Peace.